The United States backed Taiwan's assertion that the strait separating the island from China is an international waterway, a further rebuff to Beijing's claim to exercise sovereignty over the strategic passage. The Taiwan Strait has been a frequent source of military tension since the defeated Republic of China government fled to Taiwan in 1949 after losing a civil war with the Communists, who established the People's Republic of China. China's foreign ministry said the country has sovereignty and jurisdiction over the Taiwan Strait and called it a false claim when certain countries call the Taiwan Strait international waters. He reiterated U.S. concerns about China's aggressive rhetoric and coercive activity regarding Taiwan and said the United States would continue to fly, sail and operate wherever international law allows, and that includes transiting through the Taiwan Strait.